I'm Boo Kiesler.
And I'm Chris Kiesler.
We had some banisters here that just prevented us from looking out onto our beautiful view. And because I'm short, I couldn't see anything. It was just at my eye level. I just feel like the whole world back here has opened up. It is wonderful.
We also get to enjoy the outside from the inside of the house, and
Yeah,
that blocked a lot of the view that was out there. And so we wanted to have a solution that opened it up, but we didn't want to have a death trap because we've got some elevation difference between the deck and the grade down below. So we explored the possibility of using horizontal cable on that. In fact, I had gone to a website with the idea of actually doing it myself, and we got the price on that, and the responsible party in our family put the kibosh on that.
That would be me.
So one of the great things I think that Alan did is that he asked the question, it's like, well, what if pricing was not a concern? Mm-hmm. What would you want to have happen? Actually, it was a good bid on that. It was about the same price as what we would have paid if I had to install it all myself. As he was describing how the horizontal cable would look, he was talking about hardware. What I was thinking of hardware was like, these twistable, big, sight impairing, pieces of equipment. He was good enough to actually share with us images of what the final product would look like, and so that was very helpful. We had some discussion about what we wanted to have on top of the posts, the top rails, and he suggested those, and I had, frankly, a little bit of misgivings on it. I thought it might have looked a little unfinished, but now that it's here, it looks great, and it goes well with the house. What I think sold us, we did have one other gentleman that they came out, gave a bid that was perhaps a little bit less expensive, but the sense I got from that, he was pretty much a one-man shop.
I think the major thing was he had not done the cable work. He knew about it, but he had not done it. So one of my first questions to Alan was, have you actually done this? And he said lots of times. That always makes you feel better. You don't want to be like the first person to have an appendectomy of a doctor who's never done it before.
So Alan didn't do an appendectomy.
Yeah. I just really like the way that Butler responded to my phone calls and that sort of thing. They came on time, and Alan came over here and did all the measuring and that kind of stuff. It's kind of hard sometimes to have people come around your house and be around your house all day for a couple days. They were just really, really nice. Chad and Cole just got after it and went to work and left for lunch and left the place clean, the 2 days they were here. And it was a very pleasant experience. It really was.